Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. Okay, I'm Whitney and today I've got such an exciting business to share with you all. I'm just so impressed. I've just been sitting here just reading a little bit more about it. It's such a rabbit hole. Okay, so Jacqueline from Wax and Wraps reached out to me via Instagram and said, well here, it's really beautiful. Reached out to me and she says she's Jacqueline. She's a British-born fashion designer by trade who gave up her career to become an entrepreneur, and her latest business is Wax and Wraps, which is a subscription box with impact, and this is the big thing. So she writes, as a woman of color, it's been important for me last year to bring support to Africa's creative textile makers. So I brought together my love for Africa, my design background, and sewing skills into a sewing subscription box. Okay, so that right there, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then she offered to send me a box in exchange for me doing an unboxing on the channel, which is what I'm doing. So if you follow her on Instagram, number one, it's just wonderful. So how it works, you pick a subscription plan, you can do monthly, you can, pay for 6 months at a time or whatever, and you get sent fabrics and a sewing project, and you can save up to 20% off per month if you do a 6 or 12 month commitment plan. But basically, inside of the box here, and this is all from her website. So it was founded, oh, this is just so good. It was founded because Jacqueline, who has founded the company, believes in African development using entrepreneurship and trade over aid. I just love that. Each month, she sources fabrics from a new African supplier for the monthly boxes and her online shop. And this allows textile makers across Africa to gain hundreds of new clients via their subscription box orders. And this trade continues to change, this trade contributes to the change that Jacqueline wants to see in Africa through the vehicle of fashion. She even has pictures, and on her Instagram, she highlights all sorts of the people that she works with. These are the actual people that are making and weaving and, making these wax prints and making the fabric. It's just such a cool business. I mean, it's a sewing subscription box, which is just amazing in and of itself, number one. And number two, what a fantastic calling and purpose. It takes a business just up a level, Anyway, I've just received it. I've not opened it yet. And this is it. It just arrived in the mail today from the UK. And yeah, we're gonna open it up and see what's in it. I'm so excited. She's been teasing stuff on her Instagram with the people behind who made the August box. So I'm not sure if this is the August box that I'm getting, but let's see. Okay, so what's inside? So you open it up, and it has a little checklist of everything that's inside. I'll read through that to you. And then this beautiful little card that says, just like a thanks, Whitney, enjoy, which is, that card in and of itself is gorgeous. Okay, so what's inside? Wax print fabrics. It has a check. African fabric. Oh, and warm is what it says. So I guess she picks even, like if it's a warm fabric or cool fabric, possibly. Sewing pattern, fabric swatch card, African info card, artisan playing card, sewing thread, and Cara pencil, and a free gift, which is exciting. Okay, so there's my little card. So it's all very nicely packaged in here. I just think sewing subscription boxes are so fun and exciting. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go with my fall sewing so good. Okay, so the first thing we've got, and I saw her teasing this. Look at this. This is, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Look at this woven fabric. In this navy and white stripe. Oh my God, it's just, it's just a beautifully woven fabric. And let's see, I think, how much do I have? Probably about gosh. I'm gonna say, I don't think that's 3 meters. 2.5 meters maybe? I feel like that's close to 3 yards though. And it looks like 45 width fabric. Oh my God, I love these. I think this would make a fantastic, if you saw my video on Friday, I was talking about how I wanted to do some full length long glissandos. Wouldn't this be amazing? It almost has a railroad stripe feel to it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But I think that there's an actual pattern in here. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Okay. I love this too. She does these playing cards. Oh wait, is that what this is? Okay, this is just her, because she does these artisan playing cards. I think for whoever is the artisan of each box, like you can collect, you know, she uses, I think she reuses the same artisans frequently. So she says, hey, I'm Jacqueline, founder and curator of Wax and Wraps. I would like to personally thank you for your purchase. You have just invested in a UK Black-owned business and also in the work of talented artisans and makers in Africa. This helps keep businesses going and textile traditions alive. Keep up with future boxes on Instagram at Wax and Wraps. I will leave her Instagram and her website tagged down below. Tag us in a photo with you and your Wax and Wraps box to gain 10% off your next box. So that's really cool. So yeah, so there's that little, look at the art on there. Isn't that cool? It's a really good weight. So this is all bundled up here in this like little paper. Oh my gosh, this is just getting better and better. Okay, so it came with thread. So I've got navy thread, and that is a lot of thread. Like that is a sizable spool of thread. Some elastic, so I'm wondering whatever pattern this is probably needs the elastic. So there's, I don't know, there's quite a bit of 1-inch wide elastic. Look at that pencil. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? I use pencils, I prefer using pencils for any of my drafting that I'm doing. Just my pens bleed all over the place, and I love, I mean, anytime I'm altering a pattern, I mean, I'll use pens if I want you guys to be able to see it, but I love pencils, and this makes me smile so much. And oh my gosh, what is this? Look at that! You know what that is? These are like the paper beads that are wound. I have a vase from a fair trade. There was a fair trade shop near my home, and it's made out of like tightly like layered paper, but it's like wrapped just like this, but it's a bead. Isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful necklace. I mean, that's gonna be I mean, not a pop on this because it's like the same color, but on like a white shirt, oh my gosh, I love that. Or turtlenecks. We're getting ready to get into turtleneck season, folks. Okay, so that's my free gift. Here is my, okay, this is my, okay. So this is, oh, this is so cool. So Handmade Crafts by Small Communities Boarding, oh, I'm not gonna pronounce this right, Bwindi, B-W-I-N-D-I National Park in Southwest Uganda. And there's a, they have a Instagram as well, this Bwindi Handmade Crafts. And then it's this picture, and it says, this is Paulina from a rural community boarding Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, home to the endangered mountain gorillas in southwest Uganda. She's a member of a socioeconomic empowerment project which supports her and other craft producers to generate additional income for them and their families. She works with a small group of women and girls to produce a range of paper bead jewelry, which is what this is, the paper bead jewelry. And accessories for the Bwindi Tourism Club crafters. All their items are handmade and made out of cut recycled paper, seeds, and shells. Each bead is made out of strips of recycled paper, rolled tightly and glued in place. In some pieces, the colors are from the original paper, and others they've painted them to give a bold, bright style statement. They've been coated to make them more resistant to water and dirt. Each necklace requires an average of 40 beads to make. Well, that is so cool. And there she is with her family. Is that not? That's really cool. And then we have an African fabric swatch card. Oh, wow. What is... Okay. Oh, this is actual bark cloth. Okay. And it's like a lesson. This is like, it's educational and everything. So this is bark cloth from Uganda. The indigenous name for bark cloth is Olubugo. It is, I probably totally butchered that. It's Olubugo. It is made from the inner bark of the Mutuba tree, or to give it scientific name, Ficus natalensis. The craft of bark cloth making is estimated to span back some 700 years, invented during the reign of Kabaka Chimera. Luli Sonoko, an avid hunter, inadvertently discovered the craft when he was looking for materials to make traps for his hunting. He came across the Mutuba tree, from which he got the bark, which he started beating and kept stretching. Bark cloth later on became a trade item between the neighboring kingdoms. Oh my gosh, and it goes on and on about bark cloth. And it's legitimate bark. It's so cool. I mean, you think of bark cloth, I mean, it's just turned into other things, right? Like, I don't know, in Hawaiian textiles and stuff, things are called bark cloth, and maybe they started off like this way. Anyway, that is really cool. It's so, this kind of stuff, I'm totally geeking out because this kind of stuff completely makes me geek out. Okay, and then I've got a pattern. And it is printed off. What is it? The suspense. Oh, I think it is a pair of pants, maybe? Oh, it's a pair of shorts. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. What is this? Okay, hold on. These are adorable. I just saw a picture. Where did it go? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely adorable. Look at these shorts. Okay. And I have a feeling that these are her patterns because she does come from a fashion designing background. Sorry, I am not doing this delicately at all. Just gonna set that down. So this is printed off on like the big paper, but look. Can you see those shorts? Oh, look at those paper bag waist shorts. Are those not adorable? I think this is August box. And then all the instructions for sewing the pattern are right here on this part of the page. Like there's a whole, it's kind of like a big 4 pattern. Like all the instructions are here with the pattern, except it's on nice sturdy paper instead of the flimsier paper. Oh my gosh, those are really cute. So you can make these shorts with a cuff turn up or without a cuff turn up. Those are so cute. I cannot wait to try those. And they're elastic waist. Those are adorable. Which, as we all know, are my best friend right now. Oh, so cute. Yeah, okay guys, that is a fantastic box. And with what a great mission. I just love it when people can look beyond, I shouldn't say selfish, because starting a business is not selfish that by any means, but when people can look beyond that and figure out ways that they can have a business of their own, but that also helps people, I just find that so inspiring. Just kind of takes things up a notch. So anyway, definitely go have a look at Wax and Wraps. Her subscription box is chock full of really beautiful things with a really great story. So anyway, thank you, Jacqueline, for sending me that and letting me have access to all this wonderful things. I can't wait to sew things up. And you know, we're starting to get into, I mean, not too close, but to holiday season. If you have a seamstress or a sewer in your life, this would be, what a great gift idea. So, you know, you could have some shopping done or put it on your own list, which might be what I do. Put it on my own Christmas list. Okay guys, that's what I've got for today. I hope you have enjoyed that video as much as I did unboxing it. That was fun. I get excited about all things fabrics and textiles, so you got to see me see all that for the first time. All right, that's all I have for today. On Friday, I think I'm gonna have a fabric haul video for you. So I'm filming this in advance, but if everything goes as planned, I'm fabric shopping today while you're seeing this, and for my own some fall sewing. I've also done a little bit of online shopping that should possibly all be in, maybe not though, hopefully. But I am hopeful to have like a little fabric haul to show you on Friday so that you can we can kind of talk a little bit more about the direction of my sewing plans. They're still not completely ironed out. I'm gonna wait and do my full plans video on after the fall capsule has been released from Your Everyday Style, which is September 10th. So I'm just gonna wait and see what comes from that and yeah, solidify my plans that way. All right guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you have enjoyed this one and I will see you all again on Friday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.